Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a toilet paper tube bird feeder, a fun project both you and the birds will enjoy. Here's what you're going to need today. A paper plate, a knife, an empty toilet paper tube, peanut butter, some string, and some bird seed. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is cover the outside of the toilet paper tube with peanut butter using the knife. For this project, try to make sure your toilet paper tube is free of all excess toilet paper and glue residue. You want to make sure to put a thick enough layer of peanut butter on your tube so the seeds will stick. If the peanut butter is too thin, the seeds are going to fall right off. I'm covering the majority of the tube with peanut butter, but leaving just a little bit free on the end so I can hold it. Once the peanut butter is on the tube, it's time to add the seeds. I'm going to go ahead and pour my bird seed on the paper plate. Now I'm going to take the toilet paper tube and press it down into the seeds. I'm going to rotate and press to make sure all the peanut butter gets covered in seeds. Once the tube is covered in seeds, it's time to add the string to hang it up. I'm going to put one end of the string into the tube and slide it all the way through. I'm then going to line up the ends of the string and tie it into a knot. I'm going to stand up the bird feeder and let it dry for about 5 minutes before hanging it up to make sure the peanut butter hardens enough and the seeds won't fall right off. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and hang your bird feeder up outside to let the birds enjoy. I hope you enjoyed making your own bird feeder and watching the birds eat from it. Thanks for watching!